Nestled under Colorado's vibrant skies, Aurora is a place where community and nature live in harmony. But when our homes face challenges, like drain blockages, it's crucial to have a reliable solution at hand. This is your go-to guide for ensuring your sanctuaries stay pristine with affordable drain cleaning services in Aurora. When a blocked drain disrupts your day, waiting isn't an option. That's why residents of Aurora turn to our trusted drain cleaning services. Our commitment? To arrive swiftly at your door, ensuring minimal disruption to your life with our quick response times. Each technician in our team not only brings expertise in drain cleaning, but also carries the highest standards of professionalism. Equipped with the latest tools and a friendly smile, they ensure your drain issues are solved efficiently, leaving behind nothing but satisfaction. We believe in transparency and affordability. Say goodbye to unexpected costs and hello to clear, upfront pricing. Our drain cleaning services in Aurora are designed to keep your home running smoothly without breaking the bank. Join the multitude of Aurora residents who trust us with their homes. For affordable drain cleaning services that promise reliability and quality, call us today at 720-975-8894. We're here for you around the clock, ready to restore the flow to your life.